Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV. Today we're touring the 2026 Forest River RV Rockwood Signature 8337RL, a rear living travel trailer designed for long, comfortable camping trips with tons of storage and living space built right in from top to bottom. Outside, the exterior shows off a clean, modern look with sleek graphics and a sturdy build that turns heads at any campground, plus large storage compartments ready to swallow up all your camping gear, folding chairs, outdoor rugs, leveling blocks, and hoses, so you stay organized from the minute you arrive. Stepping inside, starting in the rear living area with the kitchen table set up sturdy for meals, puzzles, or family card games on rainy days. Reclining chairs nearby give you a plush spot to kick back and unwind after hiking or fishing. And right next to them sits the couch with a fold-out bed mechanism that quickly converts for overnight guests, complete with cabinet space above it for stashing blankets, pillows, board games, and remotes, where they're easy to grab. Across from this whole seating setup is the fireplace with TV mounted above it, creating an instant cozy lounge vibe, where the screen angle works perfectly from every chair, and the electric flames add real warmth and flicker on chilly nights without cranking up the thermostat. The kitchen area starts strong, with the pantry and fridge side by side, so all your food, drinks, and snacks stay right at your fingertips, no matter how many days you're out. The microwave sits up high, with cabinet space around it for popcorn, paper plates, and travel mugs. While below that, the oven comes with cabinet space dedicated to bakeware, pots, pans, and sheet trays, so you're set for everything from casseroles to cookies over the campfire. In the middle of it all, the kitchen island delivers even more cabinet space underneath, plus a deep sink basin that handles big pots or stacks of dishes with ease and gives you extra counter space for chopping veggies or rolling out dough. Across from the island, more cabinet area stretches out, with cabinets below for heavy stuff like mixers and cabinets above for lighter everyday dishes, spices, and utensils, so you can keep the whole kitchen organized and clutter-free, even after a week on the road. The bathroom keeps it practical, with a roomy shower that's lined for easy cleaning and big enough to move around without feeling squeezed, plus cabinet space nearby for clean towels, washcloths, and extra soap. The toilet offers solid legroom and a stable feel, and the sink area with mirror above it gives you a bright vanity spot to shave, brush teeth, or do makeup, complete with storage cubbies that keep shampoo, toothpaste, and grooming gear neatly tucked away. The bedroom up front features a comfortable bed raised just right, with cabinet storage above it for folded clothes, extra sheets, books, or charger. Next to the bed, a sitting area with more cabinet space works great for a cozy reading nook, nightstand alternatives, or just piling up daily essentials. And across from the bed, a giant dresser stretches wide with deep drawers for socks and t-shirts, plus hanging space for dresses, jackets, and pants. Don't forget to download our app so you can browse inventory, schedule visits, and keep up with the latest arrivals anytime, right from your phone. We also offer extended care for life. So be sure to check out our website or contact us for more details on how that can help protect your RV investment for the long haul.